Yesterday, I did my first CSI activity with my history students, murder mystery of sorts on the Triangle Factory fire. I should have made this video going over it while I still had everything set up, but I share a classroom, so I've had to clean up quickly. I rearranged the whole room. I had 10 different stations all around at the different tables. All of them had short readings or some pictures, political cartoons, primary and secondary sources. I had all this burnt fabric to just give the feel, and it actually, even though I burnt it the night before at my house, it still has like a smoky smell in this like small room, so that was kind of cool. I had a little exhibit around our like body outline there just to intrigue students as they're coming in the room. And then I got these on Amazon. They were really cheap just for the exhibits, adds a cool little feel. I was dressed up as a detective, and then I had props for the students. So some of the classes got really into it. Some of them were too cool to start putting on the detective hats and glasses and fake pipe. Most of the kids kind of like that, and we're fighting for that. Yeah, some fake glasses. I had one exhibit. I don't know if I would get in trouble for this, but don't open sensitive evidence. And it was a cigarette butt, because that was probably the thing that started the fire in the Triangle Factory, shirtwaist factory. And yeah, now let me show you all the documents. Here's the documents I had set up at the different stations. I actually bought this lesson from Interact, I believe. It's from History's Mysteries. Just short readings at each station, information about the victims, finding out that they're all pretty much young women, about the owners and the people that own the business. And then they're going to analyze some primary sources, some political cartoons that help them understand what's going on, the type of work they're doing, that sort of thing. And what they're completing is this sheet here, which is they have to come up with a detective nickname. That was kind of fun. Overview of the case. This is the kind of fun part where they're figuring out who the suspects are and gathering evidence against them. And then they have to create a couple questions. I always have students create questions to stir their sense of wonder. And then they have to assign responsibility and guilt and what percentage of the blame the different parties involved earned or deserve. Then at the end, here's something else I added. They had to propose progressive reforms to prevent another tragedy like this. And this really helps instill in them the main point of this lesson, which is that this led to major changes in workplace safety laws and that sort of thing.